Are you still struggling with writing an opinion or to present an opinion with clear reasons or strong position in an opinion essay? Then I am back with a new video where I will explain you the exact structure of an opinion essay and also let you know or make you understand about the common mistakes that leads to a lower band score. Hello everyone, this is Yesha from IELTSmaterial.com giving you the correct answers, making you prepare appropriately for your IELTS test and get a higher band score in your IELTS examination. If you like this video or if you find that this video is helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Now let's understand the structure of an opinion essay. So now let's learn the three common mistakes that leads to a lower band score. Number one, not stating an opinion. Number two, giving arguments for both point of views. And number three, not supporting your opinion with clear reasons. This means that it is very important to give an opinion in the introduction as well as in the conclusion. If you take a strong position, then this particular essay will definitely give you a greater band score, as well as giving examples or exemplifying or illustrating your reasons with examples would give you good band score in your IELTS opinion essays. Next is clearly mentioning that students must present the opinion in the introduction and conclusion. Students must choose one side of the argument. Students must develop the opinion with strong reasons. Do not change the opinion halfway in the essay. Stick to one-sided opinion. Next is how to plan an opinion essay. There are three steps which are very useful in planning the opinion essays, and these are: the first step is decide on your opinion. So you have to state the opinion or you have to plan your opinion in a way that you plan the body paragraphs as well. Next is generate ideas according to the reasons that you have stated in the introduction. Finally, you have to work on vocabulary and grammatical accuracy so that you get complete band score or full band score in these two categories, that is grammatical range and lexical resource. How would you do that? Let's take an example. The example question is: some people believe that children's leisure activities must be educational, otherwise they are a complete waste of time. Do you agree or disagree? This is again an opinion essay, the second category of opinion essay, where the question is asking you to either agree or to disagree. So you should either stay on the agreement part or you should stay on the disagreement part on the overall essay. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your experience. Now let's take a look at the answer. So we have taken the same question where the question says that children's leisure activities should have some educational content so that it becomes interesting as well as they learn something from their activity. So what can be the answer? The answer is, let's go through the introduction first. It says, to derive a double benefit from anything is considered a bonus, and this is especially the case when discussing leisure activities for children. So this is called as the general statement about our essay. So it is always better to give a general statement, or the first statement should be the general statement related to the topic. Next is the idea to fuse, means to make a fusion of both education and entertainment in one activity is a goal of many educators. Some would even believe that failure to do this makes the activity pointless. So just making the kids or children play, and play. And if there is no educational content in the play, then definitely it is not going to help the children in any ways. This is the point of view. I firmly believe, so I am giving my own opinion now. I firmly believe that all activities should have an educational value. This is my opinion. It should have educational value. This will help in increasing the retention rate from the activities, my first reason, as well as the activity time will be appropriately utilized both educationally and with fun. This is going to be my second reason. So I am taking my first reason to elaborate the second paragraph, that is body paragraph 1. And I will be taking the second reason to elaborate body paragraph 2, that is the third paragraph. Let's just go through the two paragraphs, that is the two body paragraphs. The first one is talking about leisure activities are a perfect time to take advantage of the receptiveness in a child's mind, and some countries are adamant, that is, they are very strict about this. So let's take an example of Sweden. For many years, they have legally stipulated that all children's toys sold in the country should have some educational value. In addition, that is giving another supporting reason to support my example. For such a rule to be passed, it must be upheld by scientific research. So there must be some scientific research done on the toys so that children do not misuse it, but learn something out of it. Therefore, concluding statement of my paragraph. Therefore, the advantage of incorporating an education element into toys is scientifically proven. So any toy shop or any educator can use these toys in order to make a student enjoy the leisure activity as well as learn something out of it. The next paragraph. On the other hand, that is explaining the other reason. Across the UK, children were wasting their time collecting and learning the statistics of each creature on each Pokemon card. If, however, these cards had been intertwined with more educational data, the child could have simultaneously gained a more practical education. So the point is, even if the student or the child is collecting the Pokemon card, and if that card has some educational learning or some educational element, then definitely that card or using those cards would become more effective. The concluding statement is, due to the child learning large swaths of irrelevant, useful information, it can be argued that the time would have been better spent with real facts and figures on the cards. So let's say, for example, if we take a few flashcards which has Pokemon and the other cartoon characters, and the child is very obsessed in collecting those cards, then at least those cards should have a few educational elements. For example, let's take English words or a mathematical calculation, that is addition, or it can have subtraction. So the student or the child will collect the cards as well as they will learn something out of those cards. So this is the educational content or a fusion of education and entertainment that should be involved with the toys. Finally, the conclusion. To conclude, scientific evidence from Sweden and fantasy games such as Pokemon with little educational value are two clear reasons why children's leisure activities should have an element of learning involved. This is exactly what I've done just to summarize or to give the summarization in one sentence, and that should be my conclusion. I hope this video will help you in stating a clear and strong position of an opinion essay. If this video has been informative, then do like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. You can also comment your answers to the same question in the comment section below. For more free IELTS learning, do follow this channel, that is IELTS Material YouTube channel, and stay updated. Thank you.